My name is Sharon Williams. I'm the owner of Optimal Healthcare Solutions. We are a home health, home care consulting and CEU provider here in Aurora, Denver, Colorado. Today I want to talk to you about starting and growing a home health agency. For many of you, starting an agency has been a dream for a while. You've been wanting, desiring, and hoping for an agency, to start an agency. I don't know if it's home health or home care. And for some of you, you've already started your agency, but you just can't get it to the level where you want it to be at. You aren't seeing the success that you know that your agency can be. Today I want to help you with those two desires. I want to help you with the steps to starting an agency, and I want to help you with growing an agency. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is create a 1 or 2 page business plan. It doesn't have to be a long business page, just a short 1 or 2 page business plan. And in that business plan, you want to create the who, what, when, where, and how. And you're going to have a lot of hows, okay? So leave room on that page for your multiple hows. You want to know who are the people, the key people that are going to be working with you and starting your agency or growing your agency. If you are already established, then you should have a governing body, and they should be the ones helping you grow your agency. If you're getting started, then you should have people on board as your governing body or family or friends to help you start your agency. Next, you want to know what are the reasons why you want to start your agency. And it shouldn't be money. What you want to talk about or write on your plan are that you want to help provide quality care to seniors or the pediatric population that needs services at home. Maybe you're the only agency in your community, or maybe you have seen there's a need that you can provide. So you want to write down what are the what's. When are you going to start this agency? Or when are you going to start working on growing your agency? If you already have an agency established, your when should be immediately, like today or tomorrow. If you are starting an agency, your when will be as soon as you can call the state in which you are living in and getting the regulations that you need and the application to get started. Your where will you be operating your agency from? Will you be operating from home, or will you have an office building? If you are going to operate your agency from home, you need to make sure that you know the guidelines. And so the next how would be, how long are you going to be in the location you're at now, and how will you be able to grow it for the next 5 years? If you already have this information written down, then you need to go on ahead to the next level. But if you don't have it written down, then go on ahead and spend some time and write this information down in your business plan. Next, we need to talk about a personal need. You need to check on your credit score. You need to make sure that your credit score is up enough for you to apply for a business loan or an SBA loan, because if you're planning on growing your agency, you're going to need some financial help unless you have a rich uncle that left you some money. Or if you're going to start out and you're going to start a home health agency, you're going to need $120,000 to $150,000 to get started. You're going to have to buy supplies, office rent, staff. You're going to have to pay your registered nurses and your CNA. And this is going to eat up a big chunk of your income or money while you're waiting to get your approval from Medicare. Now, if you're going to operate a non-medical agency and get Medicaid waivers, then you're going to still need at least 6 months worth of income to operate off of before you be approved from Medicaid so that you can get your Medicaid license and start taking patients. And so for a non-medical agency, you will most likely need between $5,000 to $10,000 just to get started. You both are going to need manuals. You're going to need your policy and procedure manual, your emergency preparedness, your QMP or QAPI manual, and then there's several other manuals you're going to need. So make sure you have enough money to get started. Do you have what it takes to grow an agency? Do you have the patience to grow an agency? Starting a home health or home care agency is not one of those quick businesses that you can get into. It's going to take some time. The state is going to take time to get back to you. Then if you're going to do home health, your accrediting companies or agencies, they're going to take time to get to you to do survey. Okay? Then if you already have an agency and you are in the process of growing your agency, you want to grow it right. You want to make sure you take the time and not rush into trying to grow an agency. Grow your agency slowly and grow it right. Okay. So who will support you in your business? Who will support you when you're starting out your agency? Financial support or emotional support? Who is that person or persons you'll go to when you're down, when you're upset, when you're feeling miserable because things don't seem to be coming together? Same with growing an agency. Who is your support staff? Who is your support person? Who will you go to and have them help you grow your agency? Is this a spouse, a friend, relative, family, whoever it is? Make sure that you have that person on board to help you start or grow your agency. Make sure you know your state and federal requirements for starting and growing an agency. Make sure that you know what the regulations are, because each state has different regulations. If you're going for home health, CMS, which is Medicare or Medicaid, they have only one requirement, that you have the conditions of participation in order for you to receive Medicare funding. Okay, there are a lot of steps that you need to take in growing a home health care agency or a home care agency. And if you need more information on growing an agency, then I want you to visit my website. I have a page that is dedicated to helping you grow an agency. That website is consultant.homehealthtrainer.com. When you get to the website, click on the. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a message below and I will get back to you. If you believe this video has been of help to you, or the website has been helpful to you, then please tell others. And listed below are a list of other videos I've created that can also help you accomplish your dreams or your goals. I want to thank you, and you have a great day.